What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, $3,163 in the bag. A beautiful 618 Fibonacci trade. And I'm just so motivated today. I just really want to walk you through the 618 Fibonacci. I'm going to show you how I traded it. And I have a documentary coming where I'm recording my screen with the 618 Fibonacci. Nice series for you guys, and just going to give you a market update, and I really want to hit it hard tomorrow. Lotto Friday is our best opportunity. All right, so hit me with a 10 if you can hear me loud and clear, and let's get right into it. Here we go. Jonathan, what's going on? Trading Wars Army. Wesley, Candace, G-Man, David, Trading Wars Army. Otis, Harry, Nonstop, Dr. D, Trading Wars Army. Bill, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Keith, Mike, good to see you guys. Jonathan, CJ, what's going on, guys? All right, let's do this. Okay, so $3,163 on the day. Let's go ahead and hit the replay and walk through the trade we took, why we took it, and let's continue. All right, so first thing is we'll go back to the daily chart. And yesterday I posted this doji, okay? And the doji is a indecision candle, right? And we can see that because we have a long wick on the top and a long wick on the bottom. It's a very dangerous candle because it means that there's a lot of indecision. So we're here on the 5-minute chart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the previous day's high as a reference. And what you'll see is that first candle, guys, we opened right above that high. Okay, so we had a nice significant gap in the morning. So the first candle, we had this big strong bar, and this gave me a sign of, hey, this might be a gap and go type of day. You could see a long bull wick filling. So in that first 15 minutes, if you don't want to take the opening range breakout, you let the first 3 bars play. Okay, now from here we have to ask ourselves, what is this direction on the day so far? Is that a bullish or bearish? Hit me with a 1 for bullish, hit me with a 2 for bearish. And the way you want to make that decision, guys, just look where the low and the high of the first 15 minutes is, and that's going to show you, did we move higher, did we move lower? You can also go to the 15-minute chart and then just look at the color of the candle and look at where the candle is closing. What's going on, Tyrone, brother? David, what's going on? Jay Sosa. So right there, guys, we can clearly see that that is a bullish direction. So as soon as we have those first 3 candles, we can start drawing our Fibonacci. So we go here from low to high like this. I'm going to move it across, and I'm going to double click, and I'm going to put on the 618. Okay, so just the 618 is all you guys want to focus on as a new trader. It's a very simple approach. And what can happen here, guys, is we can pull back right away, or we can go a little bit higher. If we go a little bit higher, we're just going to keep moving our anchor. But what we're trying to do here, guys, is we want the pullback. We don't want to buy up here at the highs. Gobu, what's going on? Mike, Becky, if we buy at the highs breaks, then we are going to overpay for a potential move that can just fade. Instead, we want to get that 618 pullback, that 61.8% discount. That's going to give us the best deal with the options and with the futures to make the maximum gains, because we're basically buying the dip. So let this play out. Bang. Okay. So in this case, we make a new high. So we just move that anchor up. So we continue. Bang, bang. Okay. Move the anchor up. So I'm showing you how we do it in real time. Just keep moving that anchor up. Here's your 618 right there. Okay. So let's pause right here. Here's our 618 fill. All right. So I'm going to hop into the Discord. I'm going to go to the Fibonacci live setups. So the number one question that I have is, Rich, I don't know how to draw it. I don't know how to get in. So guys, that's why I have the Discord. That's why we created this Discord, the Fibonacci live setups. So you could see exactly what I drew up for you guys. We drew it up step by step in real time. And here's the Fibonacci bot. 1021 618 Fibonacci filled long. And right literally within 1 minute, the first target was hit. Then 1035, the second target, and at 1105, 30 minutes later, we made a new high of day, which is the home run, big target. You can see the whole team banking today. Really, really nice. So from here, we have our 618 fill. Okay, so the way that I like to approach these trades is I'm just going to go long on the level itself. Okay, so get that. Where is that risk to reward tool? I want to go long on the level itself. I'm not, in this case, I'm not waiting for candlestick confirmation. Have the stop loss at the swing low for protection. All right. Or if you want to go tighter, you can as well once you get that candlestick confirmation. And then from here, guys, you can see we came back, tagged the 618, held it. And then finally right here, that's your new high. Okay. So what I want to show you guys, something so important. The high of this candle is 448.51. The high of this candle is 44851. All right, so it's actually a tweezer top. All right, so hit me with the two if you see that. So this is identical highs. This right here, guys, is a trap for people, for the rookies chasing. So for example, a rookie trader will say, this is a bull flag breakout. This is a bull flag. Here's the breakout right here. So they'll look at it like this. Okay, that's a breakout right there. I'm going to go long here. Comes, market reverses on them. The way that I like to trade is always look for the pullback, and I take the first trading opportunity on the pullback, because I know I'm going to set myself up to make the most maximum money. Am I always going to be right? No. But am I going to be better off than somebody chasing breakouts on these flags? 100%. Because when I'm right, guys, I already got in way lower before that move even happened. And then from here, guys, let me fast forward. Bang. Started to trend for the rest of the day. Okay. So really, really nice. We're able to hold this bad boy. If I had held it into this close over here, guys, probably would have made about $6,000. I did take most of my profits off here, right around this area. I started to slow down, saw that wick come in, just took most of it right there. Or hit me with the 20, if that makes sense. Really, really nice trade, guys. And I'm just going to go now ahead and look at the market outlook. So remember, we called out this pattern. This is the Ragnarok here, as well as the Nirvana, right? So we had our initial Nirvana, inside outside bar, the breakout of this bar, really, really nice break here. Unfortunately, with the Nirvana, it broke to the downside first. The short got stopped out if you're using the futures, and then it reversed and went fully on. So right now here, guys, this is a very destructive pattern. This is a double Nirvana. This is a Ragnarok +1, okay? So this right here, that low, all right, 4-4-11-25 on futures. Okay, that low is everything for the bulls, because they've been working so hard. This is a bear trap right here. We broke down a few pennies and then we turned around. The bulls stepped in right there, and that's the pivot they want to hold. And also, don't forget, with the original signal was back here with this holy grail that broke out a few weeks ago that we posted on the YouTube. Really, really nice as well. So everything is pointing to the bullish direction until proven otherwise. And everything else that happens here before this low gets taken out is irrelevant. It could chop, it could go sideways, it could do whatever you want. Okay. So is MES the same as ES? MES is the same in terms of they're the same contract, but MES is 1/10 of ES. Okay, it's the same S&P 500 futures, but means micro. All right, guys, hit me with a 15 if that all makes sense. All right. So really, really nice. That's the first lesson. That's how you trade a gap and go. You wait that first 50 minutes. You want to understand what is the actual strength, what is the movement in the first 15 minutes. Then you just draw your pullback and you just wait patiently. Don't want to chase, because if you chase, guys, you can end up without an account, right? So just let that pullback come in. That's why we have the Fibonacci bot. We keep it simple, guys. Every single day, you'll see at least one of these filled long, target hit, or stop loss. Okay. And if it's a stop loss, oh well, right? Because look at the potential on these trades. Okay. These calls right here, at least double up 200, 300% easily if you're taking option plays. So when you're wrong, you take your 50% stop loss, 25% stop loss, whatever you're using, guys, and you just keep recycling it. You are the casino. I need you to remember that. You know, the casino has the edge. You are the casino in trading if you have a good risk to reward. Hit me with a 4 if that makes sense. All right, guys, as always, check me out, tradingwars.com. Tomorrow, I plan to do a live stream a little bit later in the day, and I'm going to go and day trade in the morning with you guys. We're going to be in the Discord. So please feel free to check me out, tradingwars.com. Go ahead and sign up for the Discord if you want to come, get those alerts, get access to the bot, or you can go ahead right here, guys, and you can get the Fibonacci book. So if you really want some more insights into what I'm teaching here, this is my bestseller book right here. Get 1 month for free in the Discord, plus my indicators for life. Those are the Nirvana ones that I showed you, and it's over 50 charts, 69 pages, really lots and lots and lots of examples, tradingwars.com if you guys are interested. Otherwise than that, let's look at some scans for tomorrow. So there probably is no holy grail. There's going to be some gaps. Let's see if there's any blue raindrops. So Home Depot, blue raindrop here. Nothing else that I really see. See if we can find holy grail. ATVI. This one is, that's an interesting one for tomorrow. Look at that double inside bar. Activision Blizzard. Let's change this right here to the candles. Keep your eye open for this one tomorrow, guys, with a really tight range. I'll be posting some picks. Make sure you subscribe. The picks will be posted for you guys for free. Thank you so much, guys, and look out for the live stream tomorrow around 1 p.m. Eastern. I'll be day trading in the morning with the Discord. Try to get another $3,000 to $5,000 day. That will make me extremely happy going into the weekend. It was a slow start to the week, and now it's picking up, and it seems like it's been doing that for the last few months. A little bit slow in the beginning, and then all of a sudden, just that big push at the end of the week. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. There will be some giveaways coming up soon. And we'll do some live trading and we can look at some charts with you guys tomorrow. And whatever you want to look at, we can take some trades together. So thanks again. Make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications on. See you soon.